8 collagen-boosting foods for joint health that seniors overlook. As we get older, it's no secret that our joints start to feel stiffer, itchier, and less flexible. You may have noticed it when standing up from a chair or taking your first few steps in the morning. The culprit often isn't just aging. It's a quiet decline in collagen, the protein that keeps your joints cushioned and moving smoothly. And while many people rush to buy expensive supplements, they overlook one simple truth. Your kitchen already holds powerful collagen-boosting foods that can make a real difference. Today, let's explore 8 of the most overlooked collagen-rich or collagen-supporting foods you can add to your meals, naturally strengthening your joints from the inside out. Let's start with the first one. Number 1. Bone broth. Bone broth is often called liquid gold for a reason. It's simmered for hours with bones and connective tissue, which release collagen, gelatin, and minerals. This makes it one of the most direct sources of collagen you can consume. Drinking a warm cup of bone broth each day can help lubricate your joints and reduce morning stiffness. It also provides amino acids like proline and glycine, which are essential for your body to produce more collagen. Best of all, it's easy to digest and soothing on the stomach, especially for seniors with sensitive digestion. If you want a comforting, healing beverage, start here. Number 2. Sardines with bones. Sardines are a tiny fish with a huge benefit. When eaten with their soft, edible bones, they provide not only calcium, but also collagen from the connective tissue. They're rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation in the joints. Seniors who eat sardines regularly often report better joint comfort and mobility. Plus, they're convenient and affordable. Just open a can and you're ready to go. Try adding them to salads or whole grain toast for a powerful, joint-loving meal. They're an underappreciated gem in senior nutrition. Number 3. Egg yolks. Most people don't realize that the egg yolk contains nutrients needed for collagen synthesis. It provides biotin and lecithin, both of which support healthy skin and joints. Eggs also offer sulfur, a key mineral your body uses to build collagen and other connective tissues. When eaten whole, eggs become a collagen-friendly breakfast or lunch option. They're also rich in protein, which supports muscle mass and joint stability. Try soft-boiled or poached eggs to preserve more nutrients. It's a simple way to start your day with strength. If you're finding this information helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe so that I can keep you updated with the latest health and nutrition tips. Number 4. Chicken skin. While many people avoid chicken skin due to fat, they're missing out on a natural source of collagen. The skin and connective tissue in chicken thighs, wings, or drumsticks contain type 2 collagen, especially good for joints. When cooked properly, roasted or slow cooked, chicken skin adds both flavor and joint support. Seniors who include chicken skin occasionally in their diet may experience improved knee and hip comfort. Collagen from animal sources is more easily used by the body than plant-based alternatives. Just be mindful of portion size and avoid deep frying. Enjoy it as part of a balanced meal. Number 5. Berries. Strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries aren't just delicious, they're collagen allies. They contain antioxidants that protect existing collagen from damage. Even better, they're high in vitamin C, which your body needs to make new collagen. A handful of berries each day can support your joints and keep inflammation at bay. They're also rich in fiber and low in sugar compared to many processed snacks. Add them to yogurt, oatmeal, or just enjoy as a sweet treat. They're a smart, tasty choice for joint health. Number 6. Garlic. Garlic isn't just for flavor. It has serious joint benefits. It contains sulfur compounds that boost collagen production in your tissues. It also has anti-inflammatory effects that help reduce joint pain and swelling. Eating garlic regularly may help slow the breakdown of cartilage as we age. You don't need a lot. Just a clove or 2 a day can make a difference. Add it to soups, stir-fries, or roasted vegetables. It's a small food with a powerful impact. Number 7. Citrus fruits. Oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and limes are packed with vitamin C. This vitamin is critical for turning amino acids into collagen. Without enough vitamin C, your body simply can't produce collagen effectively. Citrus fruits also provide hydration and antioxidants that support overall joint function. Try starting your day with warm lemon water or including orange slices in your salad. These fruits brighten your meals and your joints. They're essential allies in the collagen building process. Number 8. Chia seeds. Chia seeds may be tiny, but they deliver a big punch for joint health. They're rich in omega-3s, which reduce inflammation and support collagen integrity. They also contain protein, fiber, and key minerals like calcium and magnesium. When soaked in liquid, chia seeds form a gel-like texture that supports gut health. And a healthy gut improves nutrient absorption, including collagen-building nutrients. Add them to smoothies, yogurt, or overnight oats. They're one of the easiest superfoods to include in your daily routine. Final thoughts. Many seniors believe joint health has to come from expensive pills, but nature has already given us everything we need. With the right foods, you can nourish your joints, protect your cartilage, and move with confidence. You don't have to accept joint pain as a normal part of aging. Start with your plate, and your body will follow. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more simple, natural health tips every week. Thank you so much for watching today's video until the end. Please leave a like and share your thoughts in the comments to help more people discover this content. As always, I wish you great health, a long life, abundant wealth, and lasting happiness.